Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to explore a new feature on WhatsApp Web that allows you to share your status with specific contacts. This feature is particularly useful if you want to keep certain updates private, while still sharing them with those who matter. First, let's get started by opening WhatsApp Web on your PC. Once you're logged in, you'll see a familiar interface similar to the mobile app. On the left side of the screen, you'll find a menu with several options. Click on Status to access your status updates. Now, you'll see all the status updates from your contacts. To customize who can see your status, click on the three dots located at the top right corner of the status section. From the drop-down menu, select Status Privacy. This is where you can control who gets to see your updates. In the status privacy settings, you'll find three options: My Contacts Accept, and Only Share With. For our purpose, we want to choose Only Share With. This option allows you to select specific contacts who can view your status updates. Once you've selected Only Share With, WhatsApp will display your contact list. Here, you can choose the contacts you want to share your status with. Simply click on the contacts you wish to include, and they will be added to your list. After selecting all the desired contacts, confirm your choice by clicking on the tick mark icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. That's it. Your WhatsApp status will now only be visible to the contacts you've chosen. This feature gives you more control over your privacy and allows you to share personal updates with those you trust. Remember, any changes you make won't affect status updates you've already shared, so feel free to experiment with different settings to find what works best for you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and updates.